In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter multiple bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you use more than one bank account in your business, it's really important to set each one up properly in QuickBooks so your records stay accurate. That way, when you run reports or reconcile your accounts, everything lines up with your real-world banking activity. Let's get started inside QuickBooks Online. From anywhere in your account, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is your main settings menu. Go ahead and click the gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is basically the master list of all the accounts you use to track your finances, including income, expenses, assets, and of course, bank accounts. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look for a button labeled New. Click the New button to create a new account. This opens a window where you'll tell QuickBooks what kind of account you're setting up. In the Account Type dropdown, select Bank. This tells QuickBooks that this account will behave like a bank account, meaning you'll be able to reconcile it and connect it to your bank feed later if you choose. Next, you'll see a field for Detail Type. Here, you'll choose the type that best matches the actual account you have with your bank. For example, you might select Checking for your day-to-day business account or Savings if you're setting up a savings account. Pick the option that most closely describes the account, as this helps with organization and reporting. Now it's time to give the account a clear name. Use something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, like Business Checking, Main Bank, or Payroll Checking Account. You can also add a description if you want to include extra context, such as how the account is used. If you're starting QuickBooks in the middle of your financial year, you can enter an opening balance here as well, based on the balance in that bank account on your chosen start date. When you're happy with the information, click Save and Close. That adds your new bank account to the Chart of Accounts and makes it available for use in transactions and reconciliations. To add more bank accounts, simply repeat this same process for each additional account you need. Following these steps for every bank account ensures your QuickBooks file reflects your real banking setup, which makes managing and understanding your finances much easier.